Let's see how much you need to make to comfortably afford a 2025 BMW M4. My final build came out to around $108,000, but if we multiply this by 7% sales tax, we get a new total of $116,000. After adding the new price of the vehicle, 20% down, financed at 5% for a total of 60 months, we get a total monthly payment of over $1,700. The annual insurance for an M4 is going to be around $6,000, and if we divide this by 12, we'll get $500 a month. Annual maintenance on the M4 is going to be around $5,000 for 5 years, $1,000 per year, so roughly it's going to be around $89 a month. After adding all of this up, we get a crazy monthly payment of over $2,300 a month, and if we multiply this by 10% to find our monthly gross income, and then multiply it by 12 to find our annual gross income, you should be making around $280,000 to be able to afford this BMW M4 comfortably.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video was kind of requested, man. I've been getting some messages. People want to know how much these BMWs cost, how much they cost to service. I got some people in the market to buy cars. People don't realize is the maintenance on these cars are outrageous. So we got a guy right here, man. He's getting ready to buy an X5. We're going to find out how much it's going to cost him. And also, guys, we're going to see how much it is to maintain these cars. So let's get into it.
I got a deal for you. I got an X5 40 2026. It's skyscraper gray, black interior, super well equipped, parking assistance package, premium package, climate comfort package. I got two options for you. The purchase option, it's going to be over your $800 a month. It's like $930. But BMW has an owner loyalty lease program special for 39 months. The one question I didn't ask you is on the lease how many miles you would need, but this is worked up at 10,000 miles a year, $770 a month. No money down, just first payment due when you sign up.
What do I got? 59,000 on my, what year do I have it?
2021.
So 2021 is 4 years.
So 4 years, so 60,000 divided by 4, 15,000 miles a year. So if I did a 15,000 mile a year lease, that jumps the payment up to $825. But because we already had that conversation, I know what you're gonna say.
There's no way I can sell that.
I'll give you $1,000 more for your car and keep your payment at $794. 15,000 miles a year, starting over with warranty.
All right, let me call you right back.
Man, that's the least. See, we bought ours used. We're nowhere near these $700-800 a month payments. This is crazy right here. I mean, I know these cars are expensive, but and this is at least 15,000 miles a year. You go over that mileage, you're gonna pay. One good thing he did do is he's actually leasing the car. I recommend you lease these luxury cars because these things, once the warranty is up, it costs an arm and a leg to repair. And we about to find out right here.
Let me put on my shades because I can't be taken serious at this moment, y'all, before I start crying. So, just got my battery done, right? My front and my back brakes are also going out. Front brakes, $3,500, $11.40. Back brakes, $2,500, $13.96. I could have those backwards. All in all, $5,500. I want to rip this up.
Oh my goodness. $5,500 for the brakes. Now, y'all really sure you want these luxury cars? That is crazy. That is outrageous. And I know some people gonna say, oh, I could take it to my man. I could take it to my own mechanic. I could do my own brakes. I mean, you could do that. But guys, if your car is under warranty and they find out you took your car to some little off-brand little shop to get those brakes done and something happened, warranty is voided off the brake.
So I guess I won't be going anywhere that requires me to use my brakes. Come on, baby. See ya. See ya. See ya.
Oh, I see what you're trying to do. Yeah,
Just get in. Y'all, they playing today.
That's crazy. But yeah, man. And I know from experience, guys, when we went to get our brakes done, it was $2,000. And I had a 2019 X5, but it was certified. $2,000. That was it. That was the last time we got a brake job done on that truck. That thing, we sold that truck immediately.
5 comp back, and I paid a lot of money to get this car back.
$8,000. Jeez.
So here's my repair bill. $8,726.
Crazy.
The reason why my repair bill was $8,726 is because my massage seat broke and my AC stopped working, right? My AC stopped working due to my evaporator leaking. If you have a G chassis BMW, mainly a M5, a 540, 530, X5, any G chassis BMW, the evaporator is known to going out. That job alone was $6,721 because they had to rip apart my whole dash. Then my massage seat went out. The massage seat was the remaining cost. I only had to pay $2,225 due to my warranty covering $6,471 of it.
See, he lucky. He had a warranty, but he still had to pay $2,000. I mean, unless you got it like that. I mean, I'm assuming that if you buying a car like that, you have money set to the side to pay for repairs, because you're always gonna have to pay something, whether it's a deductible or whatever the case may be. You're always gonna have to pay something. He still had to pay over $2,000 just for them to cover the other $6,000. That's crazy, man. This is stuff people don't tell you. You see them on social media, everybody, you know, styling and profiling, smiling, buying a car from CarMax. Hey, better make sure you got a warranty or you're going to be mad. You're going to be a sad puppy.
Service my car here at BMW. I'm going to break down the cost with you guys just so you know how much it is to own a BMW M4 and service it every once in a while. Here's our beauty.
It's nice, man.
New tires.
Pretty car.
Just got washed.
That's my color right there.
Damn. Too. As I was sharing, the cost was about $1,600 to replace 2 tires, get an engine oil, change my air filter, and a bunch of other miscellaneous things that this car needed. And it shows you that if you're not ready for these expenses to come up out of nowhere, do not get a BMW M4.
That's right. Facts right there. Facts. See, they some pretty cars, and you know, they fun to drive, but you have to be ready for the repairs. And they don't mind selling them to you. They will sell you those cars in a heartbeat. But the reason why I'm making these videos is because I'm seeing a lot of young guys, especially on YouTube. That's the new wave, the BMWs. But you see them, they buy them, they make a couple of videos. Next thing you know, they gone off YouTube, because you can't drive those BMWs like you drive those Dodges, the Hellcats, and Scat Packs. When you drive them BMWs hard like that, you got to get the oil change frequently. Stuff going to break on them, especially now because they got all those electronics. Everything is digital, all these screens and all that stuff. And you want to drive these cars like they drove them back in the day. But you got to remember, back in the day, the muscle cars and all the fast cars, they didn't have all those electronics. All you had was a manual shift, and that was it. It was on your way. But now everything is ran by a computer. So if something go wrong, you sure.
BMW's unreliable or just expensive to maintain?
Both. BMW, I don't know if you guys know this, stands for Break My Wallet, because they are not reliable and they're extremely expensive to maintain. I'm a big believer that if you're going to own a BMW, 0 to like 100,000 miles is a fair aspect. You're still going to have to do certain repairs and obviously normal maintenance. After 100,000 miles, BMWs become significantly less reliable. Now, don't get me wrong, the owner, the maintenance of it, how you repair your vehicle, etc., will contribute to the longevity of your BMW. It's rarer to see a BMW exceed 150,000 miles without a ton of issues or lights on the dash. Really rare to see them go past 200,000 miles. Don't get me wrong, we've got 2 BMWs with over 200,000 miles in the shop right now, so it can be done. It's just in a general consensus, when you look at the 10-year route of a lifespan of a BMW, they're not as reliable. That I would make the argument they're one of the most unreliable vehicles out there, but they're one of the funnest and nicest cars to drive because of how the luxurious items are with that particular car. So give a little, and it takes a lot.
Yeah, I agree, man. They're really nice and fun cars to drive, but it just costs a little more to maintain. So it's more to it than just going in there and they're proof. Excuse me. So you got to keep that in mind, that it's going to cost you a pretty penny to keep the maintenance up on that car. So as long as you're ready for that, go for it. But I say lease the car. If you're just an everyday person, you just like to just cruise around in it, lease it. You know what I'm saying? That way everything is pretty much covered. I mean, except wear and tear, which is like tires and stuff like that. You have to have money set aside before you buy a BMW. Any of these luxury cars, Mercedes-Benz, Porsche, you know, all those type of cars, you got to have money on the side. So I hope this helps somebody out, man, who, especially the young cats who follow my channel, who may be in the market for these BMWs, especially the M3s and M4s. They selling those cars like hotcakes, but you start to see a lot of them on the repo lot, used car lots, because once it's time to do the maintenance, they letting those cars go. New to my channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. Appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you subscribe. 80% of you guys are watching my channel. You're not subscribed. It's free. Go ahead and hit it right now. Right now, you hit the subscribe button and the like button. Appreciate that. See y'all on the next one. Peace.